Driving the world's longest car. It's 100 feet long. It's the length of a blue whale. And look what it has on the back. Come check this out. This is insane. You can land a helicopter on the back of this car. It has a helipad. Look at this. This is made from 6 Cadillac Eldorados. Here we go. Now, check this out. You also have a pool, because why not? And you have a putting green. This is how you access the back. Check this out. Look at this. Red leather interior. Now, pop on in. Look how big this is. This can seat 75 people. There are 24 wheels on this limo. So 12 this side, 12 that side. Look, you got some American flags. We're in Florida. All original Eldorado, except you've got some crazy bars here just to deal with the weight of this thing to keep it all together. Now, you can actually drive it